Yes, guys, welcome to my channel Island Prosperity. My name is Joseph Peter, and today I want to share with you a program that can help you turn your 25 one-time fee into daily commissions. All right. So, if you are new to my channel, please share the love and like this video and subscribe to my channel. All right. So, let's get into it. So, this program here, once you pay your $25, it's a one-time fee. And as I said before, you can, for the day, you can earn up to $500 commission. All right, but just a disclaimer here, my results will not be your results. It's based on your work ethic. If you don't do the work, don't expect to get paid. All right, so it's very simple, exciting, and profitable as it says here. All right. So if you want to know more about this opportunity, go in the description, click on the link, and check out the video. All right. Now, after you watch the video, then all you have to do is, put in your information, both sides, put in your information, and voila, you will come into the back office, which looks something like this. Oh, sorry guys, I have to sign in. Give me a sec. So here in the back office, go through the steps. The first video you will come across is this video here. It will explain everything about the back office. All right, but I won't go through every step. I will just give you, the basic steps you need in order for you to start promoting right away. All right, so the first thing, guys, sorry, I'm close to the road, so if you hear any noise in the background, yeah, that's why. So the first thing you need to do after watching the video, if you ready to go start promoting this product, the first thing you need to do is come to setup, right? And then if you have an autoresponder that you using already, then watch this video and then it will show you how to set it up. All right, now the second thing you need to do is to set up your e-wallet. All right, so after you're done the autoresponder, you come to your e-wallet and do the same thing. All right, watch the video and then it will tell you what to do. Okay, now the next step, which is very important, is to make sure you join the Facebook community. All right, and the Facebook community, they are really really exciting and amazing inside there because they share the results. If you need any help with anything, people are there to reach out to you. And for you joining my team, I am here, my sponsor is here to help you along the way. All right, and she is doing an amazing job with helping me to be successful. I'm just here 2 weeks and I'm doing great already. All right, so join the Facebook community. All right, so the next thing I will share with you is how to set your auto responder up. Right now, you come to auto recruiter, then you click on link. Now you will see all the pages that you can choose from. All right, number 5, number 4, number 2, and so on. Right, and they have the video to link together with the capture page because all this you're watching is a capture page. Right, now you have the videos you can choose from. You have number 1, number 2, and so on. Right, now for me, I love number 1 capture page. So not number 1, but number 5 capture page. So that's the one that I use. Now, how to get it set up? You come to Pro Auto Recruiter, all right, and you click on select funnel. So like I say, I always choose number 5, but you could choose whatever capture page you want. I also love number 2 or number 3. Again, you can choose which one you want. For example, I will choose number 1 now. Okay. Now, um, here it said create tag. Now the tag is just to show where your leads are coming from. So if you are persons that love um, paying for ads or getting traffic, you can, let's say for example, you go to Udemy to get your traffic. You just put in Udemy, Udemy. I just put it as that, Udemy, right? Oh, sorry, it didn't go. Okay, let's say for the sake of it, you use Facebook. I put FB, all right? And you just create link. Now, where do you get your link? So here you get your link. You click on campaign and ignore all these other links here because that's my back office. So that's all the places that I go to get my leads. All right. So for email, as you can see, I only have 2 hits because that's my personal emails that I sent out. I don't really start doing email marketing as yet, but most of my leads come from Facebook. All right, and I used to use this same link for Messenger as well, but I decided to create a different one for my Messenger on Facebook so I can know exactly where exactly on Facebook my links coming from, my leads coming from. All right, but as you can see, I get 12 leads from 179. All right, and out of that 12, I got 2 sales. All right, I know it's not showing here, but I got 2 sales out of Facebook. All right, now this is gonna be your link. Remember when you came here, right? When you came here, you put in your funnel and you put in Facebook for your tag. So I just using, I'm just using my own as Facebook as an example. So that's what you will be promoting. All right, so you copy this as your link. But guys, I don't share my link like this. I usually, come to I come to a website named Tiny URL, and I put in my link there, and I just press on shorten link, and it will give me a shortened URL. All right, so you can do the same. There are other different URL that you can use. All right, so that's how to get your link in the back office. All right, so moving on, this is the $25 product that we paid for, the one-time 25. So basically, it's what you will get with that after your purchase is a Spark module and a new matrix 2x2 matrix. All right. So basically, what that means is that you in the matrix you have 6 spots. Okay, and that 6 spots can be filled whether it's from your own sponsors or from above you or the people that you sponsor. So for example, this is me here, and I brought in these 2 persons here. In fact, these 3 persons. All right, now on these 2 spots here, Stacy had brought in these 2 persons. So as you can see, I'm missing one more. Now that spot can be filled whether it's by me, Sherry, or my upper sponsor or persons above her. All right, so anybody can fill up here. You don't necessarily have to be you. Okay, so after this spot fill up, then you will open up another 2x2 matrix. And how does that work? You will get $100 commission, but $50 is for you, $25 is for your upper sponsor, and the other $25 is to open the other matrix. All right, and then it move on. So basically, that's what it's all about. All right, now that's this Spark module here, and that's where I've learned how to promote on Facebook, and that's how come within 3 days I got my first sale by watching this video. And when you come to the bottom, there's also, where however you want to watch. So if you don't want to watch the video, you can download the PDF and read it out how to do it, which I did. And within 3 days I've got my first sale. All right, so you can do that as well. Now the other two programs we have is the core and the VIP, which is more upgrades. So if when you come to the system and you have the money to upgrade one time, you can do that. If not, you can keep stay with Spark, the one time 25, until you get the money to upgrade. All right, so basically that's what the Spark affiliate mentor is all about. So just remember, as I said, go in the description, click on the link, and join me inside where I can help you promote your system. All right. So on this note, see you on the inside.